Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your game version and backing up saves. This prevents loss if you misenter data. Next, open the portal interface and record visible glyphs. Once done, equip a signal booster or the glyph scanner to mark coordinates. You should also gather warp fuel and any required artifacts before proceeding. These immediate actions let you avoid dead ends and give you a working set of data to continue. Don't proceed until the glyph list and fuel are ready. You now focus on finding the portal location by decoding glyph sequences, translate each glyph into its address values, and map them. Then travel to candidate systems and use your scanner to find ruins or portal castles on planetary surfaces. Once you find a structure, approach and interact with it to confirm glyph compatibility. If unclear, make sure to cross-reference the address against community databases or share screenshots for verification. This saves time by eliminating wrong world searches and confirms the exact portal target. You finish by entering the full glyph address and using the proper fuel to activate the portal. Press through and check the destination name immediately. Once confirmed, bookmark coordinates and write down the address so you can return. If activation fails or sends you somewhere else, don't panic. Clear temporary cache by relogging or reloading the save, then carefully re-enter the glyphs. As a key troubleshooting tip, test swapping one glyph at a time to identify transcription errors. This isolates mistakes quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.